31-year-old Chloe Beck and 27-year-old Brittany Yee have found friendship through tragedy.
It's hard to have sat through and seen everything that we've seen, things that we can't unsee.
They sat next to each other for 6 weeks for the murder trial of Jocelyn Ortega, hearing the disturbing details of how prosecutors say the nanny killed 6-year-old Lucia Krim and her 2-year-old baby brother Leo while they were in her care back in 2012. Beck gets emotional recalling the testimony.
I don't think I'll ever be the same. I remember those first few weeks, I would leave and go cry in a bathroom. One of the hardest pictures was seeing a toothbrush covered in blood. There was a child's toothbrush, and it sticks with me.
Beck and Yee are 2 of 6 alternate jurors dismissed, while the remaining 12 decide if Ortega intentionally murdered the children or if she was not mentally capable of understanding the consequences of her actions. The defense claims she suffers from severe depression and heard voices telling her to kill the kids. Video presented in court showing Ortega denying she ever heard voices left Yee and Beck with different impressions.
I think she had the capacity to understand what she's doing.
Seeing her not really answer the question or like go really off topic was kind of speaks to the defense's argument that she's not reliable.
Beck says she is traumatized and needs therapy after all she saw and heard from her jury seat. She and Yee say they will never let go of the heartache they feel for Lulu and Leo Krim and their devastated family.
To see the gravity of it really is painful. I don't think I'll ever forget it.
It's very unfortunate because I think the Krim family needs closure and they deserve closure, but I'm just not sure that this case is going to end in a way that will give anyone that.
Ortega faces up to life in prison if found guilty, but juror Chloe Beck says regardless of the verdict, 2 families will never be the same, and no one really wins. In Lower Manhattan, Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.
Now, jurors requested a second reading of the definition of the charges, also a readback of some witness testimony.